Hi guys, I am here from the channel Top Town Mobile Repairs. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel below for more updates on sales, repairs and weekly offers. Today I am going to announce that we are 17 members away to reach 500, so guys, to get a gift hamper what you have to do is follow here below. Fist like the page Top Town Mobile Repairs on Facebook, then share it. Lucky winner will be announced soon to get the gift hamper. Apart from this, we do Wish parcels too. Customers can order stuff from the Wish app and can collect from our store, which is Top Town Mobile Repairs inside the Top Town Market, Grimsby B4B, Bullring Lane, Grimsby. DN31 1 exabyte. Phone number is 07427674607. Our Instagram is Top Town Mobile Repairs. Customers can get up to 80% max discounts on Wish items using our promo code, which is CBMJWGNP. How to use promo discount code: go to checkout and enter code there. If you like the video, share it please. Thanks for watching us.